Hi guys, Scatlink here. A little bit of a technical issue, which is why not only have I postponed my Zelda OOT Uber challenge for a little bit, because I was going to do this for the special, because as you already know, if we back up again for a second here, version 1.3. This update, well, as we all know, allows you to use Amiibo to unlock stuff, but it also allows you to use the almighty character, which it should have actually started on, Link, from the Legend of Zelda series. And it's been amazing playing as him, even though that in almost every car he is in, he's squished up. Including these big cars, he's still squished up in them, because he's supposed to be a bike rider, as you can clearly see, as well as that he has the Master Cycle to go with. That's the name of it. I kept calling it the Master Rider for some reason. And yeah, he also comes with tires. Wait, where's the Zelda tires? There they are. There's the Zelda tires called Triforce tires. And you also get free carts as well, which is the Tanuki cart that you just saw me in. The Blue Falcon, the B Dasher. But whatever. That's not the issue here that I'm trying to raise. This, yeah, and we also get 2 cups, as you can see down here. So, yeah. But anyway, even though all that is good, because that's what everyone wanted from this update, there's actually been a little bit of a compromise that everyone's probably been angry with. And it is quite annoying, and, well, it's actually kind of compromised a certain feature, which is Mario Kart TV. For some bizarre reason, this update, I don't believe you can revert to a previous version of the game, but once you get update 3.0, the Mario Kart TV upload subroutine has been compromised. Yes, I do not have an HD capture device, so I have to record this using a phone, and I'm doing it through the Gamepad, which is the only way you can record the Gamepad as far as I know with a camera anyway, so I guess this is the only legit way of recording from the Gamepad, so whatever. But yeah, if I just try to boot this up here, of course you can click upload. I should be using the stylus for this. You have to say yes to the Nintendo Network, and then you have to say yes to a Google account so you can upload to YouTube, and then it gives you a preview. Now, I'm not going to show this, because I actually want to show this off as a separate video once the feature actually works, so give me a second. Now, once you see a preview of the highlight you're going to upload, it will actually initiate the upload. But as soon as it begins, you see this recently legendary error code that even Nintendo didn't even know about, apparently, since phone codes have been made. Let me just pause that. And there we go, error 104-1852, because of I was the first person to report this, funnily enough, so I guess there's a little bit of smugness there. But I reported this number. They said that I'm actually the first person who recorded this up, but a lot of other people have been actually posting this on like Nintendo Tech forums and stuff. And, well, yeah. Error code 104. If you type it up on Nintendo tech forums, people just say that they have no clue what this is. If you actually try and search up the definition of the code, originally there was no page even saying that this code even existed, but now there's a code saying that this is currently under investigation, because they've actually received more phone calls now, because some people have actually said, I phoned up and alerted them of this phone call. There's been posts on Miiverse saying that they can't upload, and I don't know why. It's just because of version 3.0. If you've got a previous version and you really want to do the update, if you want to keep your highlight reel function, don't update and play the new DLC. I know that sounds like a bit of a bitch, but you won't be able to upload highlight reels otherwise until this is fixed. And yeah, I'm kind of one of the people who got screwed by this. And I don't see how this is kind of a thing. This is more like just a discussion on showing this error, really. I've tried, it's the 15th of November right now, and obviously the update and DLC came out on the 13th, so this was like 2 to 3 days ago, so hopefully this will get fixed within the week or so. I don't really want to hold off my Uber Challenge for so long, but I actually pre-recorded it and talked about this because I anticipated no problems, but that didn't go well, and my commentary will be kind of off. So yeah. Plus, because of how the next episode of the Uber Challenge went, I'm taking a little bit of a break from it. Not because of technical issues or anything, but because of other reasons I don't want to spoil, because otherwise it could actually ruin the enjoyment, and Fuchsia's meowing in the background. So, Fuchsia, will you get down? She's jumping at the bloody wall. But yeah, shush. So yeah, Error 104-1852. No one's actually made a video on this on YouTube, so I thought I would be the first to do this. Just to let you know why the Zelda special that I announced in Part 7 was going to come out, and this is the reason why it hasn't, and I don't want to upload my videos out of order and contradict what they're saying, so yeah. Plus, I want to actually take a break from episode 8, because at least then, because I've already recorded and edited episode 8, once episode 8 comes along, even though I say I'll be taking a bit of a break, technically I had originally, so we can just continue straight after episode 8, so yeah, because I have to do a little bit of practice, shall I say, against bosses. The 3DS replay, the boss replay mode is a godsend for that, but yeah. So, I guess it's just a mini update in a way. This won't be in the Mario Kart playlist. This will be like a usual update, because this is kind of a big thing for the version 3.0, so we're probably going to get a version 3.1 at some point to fix this issue. Hopefully it will be fixed soon. Maybe Nintendo changed it so that it could comply with YouTube's now 60 frames per second feature, because when you watch the replay, as in the highlight reel, which is going to be uploaded, like the highlight watch before it actually uploads, you know what I mean, it doesn't actually look like it's lost frames, so maybe they edited it to comply with the 60 frames, but you think they would have tested that first. Maybe Nintendo didn't actually realise or even tested this, because even though obviously they must have updated the subroutine to comply with the new 60 frames per second feature that YouTube now offers, so that these upload reels can now be 1080p like they usually are, or 720p, now upgraded to 1080p. And instead of 30 frames per second, it runs in the game's original 60 frames per second, so it uploads exactly how it is on the game up to YouTube. But maybe Nintendo didn't test that out, even though making the upgrades, because if they want to upload highlight reels themselves, they just make their own, as we already know, through their own recording devices or whatever, so that could be a thing as well. And, I mean, if I did have an HD game capture device, I would record the highlight reel myself and not use the upload feature that way. I mean, I guess I could record and upload the highlight reel through this, but that's kind of unprofessional. I'm just doing it this way because this is the only way I can make an update video about error number 104-1852, because if I try to press home here, as you can see, I'm not allowed to actually do that. So I couldn't even send a Miiverse post about this. I had to actually take a bad quality image from my camera and then upload it to Facebook and Twitter. And obviously make a phone call about it, because look, it doesn't tell you anything here. And it doesn't say anything about the website either, other than they're now investigating it, because a lot of people have actually been talking about this. So hopefully this gets Nintendo's attention. I mean, probably not by me, because my channel's not the best, but considering that a few of my other update videos went, like WiiU Connect 24 ending, Letterbox/Swap Note ending, and a few other stuff, my final Wi-Fi matches, this might actually get the same attention it deserves. So I hope this encourages you to actually try and upload a highlight reel or something from Mario Kart 8. See if you get the error code as well. If do, phone up Nintendo and tell them, because that will help them get more data. And if they get the same responses from everybody, I tried uploading to YouTube. I tried uploading the highlight reel to YouTube through Mario Kart TV, and it didn't work. This is the exact same error code. There you go. So yeah. So I think that's the end of this update, so I hope this gets fixed soon, and then after that, I'll probably upload a bunch of highlight reels on one day to make up for, the abundance of videos that I haven't been uploading recently in a couple of days, because, you know, I like to do uploads daily, and these are normally filler, but because I haven't been doing them much, that might be a thing. So, hope this gets noticed. Thank you for listening to me blabber on the same screen for a good 10 minutes or so, but yeah. Now you know what the update includes. Don't update your Wii if your Mario Kart 8 if you already haven't, because, you know, bad stuff. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'm just blabbering now. Bye.